In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Evernote into Notion step by step. If you've been using Evernote for years and you're finally making the move to Notion, this process is actually much easier than most people think. Whether you're switching for better organization, collaboration, or just a more modern workspace, this guide will walk you through the official and safest way to bring your Evernote notes directly into Notion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the page where you want your Evernote notes to be imported. This can be a brand new empty page or an existing workspace where you want everything organized. Once you're on the page, click anywhere on the page so your cursor is active. Next, type a / on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu. From here, simply type the word Evernote. As you type, you'll see an option appear that says Evernote Import. This is Notion's built-in import tool, so you don't need any third-party apps or extensions for this process. Now, click on the Evernote option. Notion will immediately prompt you to connect your Evernote account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to log in using your Evernote credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct Evernote account that contains the notes you want to import. After signing in, Evernote will ask you to authorize Notion to access your notes. This permission is required so Notion can read and transfer your content. Review the permissions, then click Allow to continue. Notion will then begin the import process. At this point, Notion will start pulling in your Evernote notebooks and notes. Depending on how many notes you have, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. During the import, you'll see a progress indicator showing that your content is being transferred. Once the import is complete, your Evernote notes will appear inside Notion as pages. Notebooks are usually converted into pages or databases, and individual notes become subpages. You can now reorganize them, apply Notion templates, add tags, or move them into different sections of your workspace. It's a good idea to quickly review a few imported notes to make sure everything looks correct. Most text, images, and formatting transfer over smoothly, but things like complex attachments or special Evernote features may need minor adjustments. And that's it! You've successfully imported Evernote into Notion using Notion's built-in import tool. This is the simplest and safest way to move your notes without exporting files manually. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion guides, software tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.